What started on TikTok as an insignificant looking remedy for weight loss has taken the world of digital media by storm now. In fact, the hashtag lemon coffee has over 8 million views now. Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. Is it true that coffee and lemon mix is the ultimate belly fat burning remedy? Today we'll find out all about it. What is lemon coffee? For many, the term lemon coffee is just another TikTok trend. But for those looking for easier ways to lose weight, this is a definite ray of hope. Followers of this combination swear by the lemon coffee's effectiveness. Those who have tried it claim that they noticed favorable results within 7 days of its consumption. Lemon coffee basically refers to mixing lemon juice in coffee. So what you get is lemon coffee. Though many would say this can ruin the taste of coffee, but there's definitely no harm in going the extra mile to achieve your weight loss goals, isn't it? Have you ever tried lemon coffee? Let us know in the comment section. So let's find out more about the two ingredients, lemon and coffee. Coffee, the morning energy booster. When we think of morning rituals, one thing that strikes our mind immediately is a warm cup of freshly brewed coffee. That's the best way to start your morning. Coffee is not just great to keep you awake and energized during the day, it offers countless health benefits too. This almost calorie-free beverage has been a staple of diet plan for a long time. That's because of the presence of a stimulant called caffeine, which stimulates your brain cells and prepares your body for the day. This very impactful stimulant blocks a neurotransmitter known as adenosine. When this neurotransmitter is blocked, it causes a sudden spike in other neurotransmitters such as dopamine. This neurotransmitter makes you feel energetic and refreshed soon after sipping a cup of hot coffee. Let's find out more about lemons, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Lemon, the antioxidant powerhouse. The next ingredient in the magical lemon coffee concoction is lemon. This citrusy, sunshiny fruit is packed with so many nutrients that a whole video is needed to list its benefits. Haven't you heard that drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can help you lose weight? Like coffee, lemon is also a staple ingredient in many diet regimes. The reason it aids in weight loss is due to the presence of vitamin C in high amounts, as well as plentiful antioxidants that promote good digestion. Moreover, lemons are known for their diuretic properties, which help detoxify our bodies, and the detoxification process helps with fat burn. According to nutritionists, lemon juice is like a magical potion that can quickly boost your body's metabolism. And for weight loss, your metabolism should be fast. So you see, everything is connected. Benefits of lemon coffee. As we told you before, coffee is a stimulant that speeds up metabolism, brings forth an improvement in mood, and keeps you energized for hours. It is low calorie, so you won't be increasing your calorie count. On the other hand, lemon juice promotes satiety and a feeling of fullness. Furthermore, coffee contains biologically active compounds such as theophylline, theobromine, and chlorogenic acids. All three compounds are associated with weight loss. The best thing about coffee is that it breaks down fat cells, which the body later uses as energy. It improves digestion too. Wondering how it does that? Well, it relieves constipation and minimalizes sugar absorption. Caffeine in the coffee stimulates the thermogenesis process by which your body generates heat and energy from the food that you digest, thus helping you burn more calories. On the other hand, lemon contains vitamin C that prevents damage caused to your body by free radicals. Lemon juice tends to boost metabolism. That's why it is said that you should start your day drinking lemon water. It actually has an acidic composition that flushes out unwanted toxins from the body and promotes bile production in the liver. This is another way lemon juice keeps your body's metabolism active. Coffee and lemon for weight loss. Mixing black coffee and lemon juice is an excellent way to lose weight faster. If you drink this mixture in the morning, it will fasten the pace of belly fat burn and you'll naturally lose weight without much ado. But how would you prepare lemon coffee? It's simple. You just have to brew a cup of coffee and add a spoonful of lemon juice to it. Drink this mixture when it's warm. If you like to hit the gym early in the morning, better drink it half an hour before working out. But do make sure that you don't add any milk or whitening agents to your coffee, because you'll end up with a curdled mess. You cannot mix milk with any citric acid because it will make the beverage anti-nutrient. That's why always add lemon juice to a milk-free coffee. However, if you suffer from kidney disease, avoid lemon coffee because it may do more harm than good. Adding lemon juice to milk-free hot beverages works with weight loss because it makes the drink potent fat cutter. But for better results, don't compromise upon other weight loss friendly habits like regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep. Lemon coffee offers many health benefits, from boosting metabolism to improving nervous system function and making your immune system robust. Watch this video to find out why cheat days are good for weight loss. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to lose weight fast.